In this video, we'll demonstrate how to store Ethereum with MyEtherWallet.com. Any of the common browsers on Windows and Mac OS can be used to create a wallet. Go to MyEtherWallet.com. Make sure to spell the address correctly and always use bookmarks. Enter a password for your wallet. Write it down and keep it somewhere safe. If you lose this password, you lose your Ethereum. Click here to download your KeyStore file. And remember, do not lose it, do not share it, and make a backup. Select a download location and click Save. Click I understand and continue. This is your private key. Once again, do not lose it, do not share it, and make a backup. It is highly recommended to print a paper wallet and store it somewhere safe. Next, click Save Your Address, and your wallet will be created. To access your wallet, click on the Send Ether and Tokens tab. Select the KeyStore file option and navigate to your previously downloaded KeyStore file. Enter your password, not your private key. Remember, never share that with anyone. This is the main page of your Ether wallet. Here, you can see your wallet's public address, your total balance of Ethereum, your transaction history, and any other Ethereum-based coins you may be holding. Sending and receiving Ethereum with your wallet is easy, but must be done with absolute precision. One mistyped character will result in the loss of your entire transfer. It is recommended to always copy and paste addresses, not to include spaces, and always double-check. To send Ethereum from your wallet, simply paste a destination address here and the amount you wish to send. Every transfer requires a transaction fee in the form of gas, which is a tiny fraction of your transfer amount. To receive Ether, use your public address. For example, when using exchanges such as Coinbase, use this address as your destination for sending Ethereum. This has been Digital Asset Tutorials. Thanks for watching.